So sleep is becoming a big problem these days. If your brain goes into hyperdrive the moment your head hits the pillow, this story is for you. So I'm going to tell you this story first, then we'll look at it from scientific perspective so you can relate to it. And later I'm going to give you a quick fix by connecting all the dots that I'm going to tell you so you can sleep peacefully. And that's what you want, right? Yeah. So there is an old story about this guy called Kampan Lal Chintamani. That was his Hindi name. He also had an English name, Sir Shivers a lot. So this guy, our guy, is lost in the forest. Tired, thirsty, scared, nervous. He stopped at a river bank to have some water. Suddenly a tiger from the other side of the river saw this poor guy, or Kampan Lal Chintamani. You are sir nervous a lot, and started chasing him. So our guy started running. He spent the day running from this tiger. Finally he reached a tree, climbed it and waited there for hours in fear. Night fell, the tiger left. But the man, he still held on to the tree all night, trembling, sweating, imagining claws tearing him apart. Scary tiger eating him alive, starting with his neck. No, actually it was legs, starting with his legs. He spent all night in fear, shivering with fear. Only at sunrise did he realize the tiger was long gone. But his mind hadn't gotten the message. And that's you, and you, and you. Your day ends, but your brain, it doesn't stop. You lie down to sleep, just like our Kampan Lal Chintamani, and suddenly you're remembering that thing your boss said. The thing you didn't say, your to-do list, your what if I fail list, you have that, right? And the bonus, like the imaginary argument with your partner, she said, he said, that has not even happened yet, right? Sound familiar, right? Yeah. Yeah. So let's look at it from science perspective. When you slow your body down but don't close the stress loop, your brain doesn't know it's safe. So according to Harvard, there is research, the prefrontal cortex, your decision maker, the neuroscientists say that the prefrontal cortex quiets at night. But then there is another part of the brain that's called amygdala. Amygdala, I think is still wide awake, and that's the fear center. That's why anxious people often feel worse at night. You are not broken. No, you are not. You are not broken. You are just carrying unprocessed emotions into silence. That's the only thing happening here. There is nothing wrong with you. And it's easy to fix. Here is the quick fix. I call it nighttime mind dump. Every night, write these 3 lines before going to bed. What am I grateful for? That's what you're going to write. What am I letting go of? Second thing. Third is what I can't control but still worry about. What I can't control but still worry about a lot. And there are many things. Then read them out loud and breathe in through your nose. Breathe in and sigh out of the mouth. Breathe in, sigh out of your mouth. You know what it does? It tells your brain, tiger is gone. Now no need to sleep like Kampan Lal Chintamani or Sir Shivers a lot. Tiger is gone. Now you can rest. You can sleep